Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nabila Indri Yani. I am an industrial engineering student with student registration number 2010931037. In this video, I will explain about economic issue such as financial matters and the principle of engineering economic. Alright, let's start with the first discussion, namely financial matters. So there are two financial problems that are commonly faced by manager. The first one is one time and the second one is periodic. A one-time example is regarding credit. It means it discusses about how to borrow money and how to pay it back. Other issues are investment or investment write-off or depreciation and selection of alternative. Alright, the next one is the principle of engineering economic. In economic calculation, especially in technical economic, money with the same nominal value will have a different economic value due to the element of time. Money with a value of 100,000 rupiah received now has a higher value from an economic point of view if it is received in the next month. So how much the difference is value is economically in rupiah. This difference in value is determined by the amount of calculate or applicable interest rates. In a more general sense, interest is a money obtained from investment interest consisting of single interest and multiple interest. Single interest is interest that is calculated on the principal of the loan only. Meanwhile, double interest or compound interest is interest that is calculated on the principal or interest rate on the loan. The interest rate in the ratio of the principal interest of the loan calculated for a certain period of time, usually expressed as a percentage of amount or time. The next one is about engineering economics application. In this session, the discussion is concentrated on usage appropriate for the 5 methods for evaluating profit economics of solving a single proposed problem. The 5 basic methods are: the first one is present worth, annual worth, future worth, internal rate of return, and the last one is external rate of return. The first 3 basic methods of converting cash flow resulting from the proposed solution to the valued equivalent at a certain point or points in time with using a known interest rates as an example. Minimum attractive rate of return or MAR, while the 2 methods, the latter yields on an annual rate of profit or the return generated from the investment and then compared to MAR. And the next one is about how to get a minimum attractive rate of return or MAR. MAR is usually the policy decided by top management of the organization through various considerations between other. The first one is the amount of money available for investment and sources as well costs of these funds, for example, own funds or borrowed funds. The second one is number of feasible projects available for investment. It is purpose whether to maintain operating current or increase the operating current. The third one, it is the amount of perceived risk in connection with investment opportunities available to companies and cost estimates to run the project over the planned short-term compared to long-term plans. The last one is type of organizations involved, like government, general public, or a competing industry. Theoretically, MAR should be chosen to maximize the economic health of the organization associated with the types of consideration mentioned above. What about individual companies? Solving it practically is far from clear and often the subject of discussion. One of the popular approaches to determine MAR involve an opportunity cost view and result from the phenomenon comparison of capital or capital rationing. Capital rationing occurs when managers decide to limit the total amount of the capital invested. This situation occurs when the amount of capital is available insufficient to finance all investment opportunities valuable. Alright everyone, maybe that's all I can explain regarding the discussion of technical economic. More and less, I'm sorry and thank you for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.